Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlink your Ubisoft account to your Xbox account, considering that you have linked a wrong account. First, head into ubisoft.com and then after logging in, click the profile icon, which is in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, you will see the account management here. Click the account management. And then in this screen, you will see different interfaces that you can choose from, like account information, security, privacy center, transaction history, status and tasks, game activity. But we need to enter account information since we want to unlink our account. Just scroll down a little until you see this link accounts. Inside this link accounts, you can see all the social media or games that you have linked in your Ubisoft account. As you can see here, this is my Xbox account. Click the unlink button here. And then click the continue button. Check this box and unlink. And that's it. That is how to unlink your Ubisoft account from Xbox. And thank you for listening.